Welcome to AI in Marketing, your daily news update curated by Stan Bertello and generated by AI.
Today is Tuesday, July 16th. Here is what we are covering. AI-enabled autonomous weaponry is making significant strides on global battlefields, evidenced by Ukraine's use of AI-equipped drones against Russian targets and the US employing AI systems for airstrikes in conflict zones. The growing integration of AI in military applications has sparked urgent ethical and regulatory debates, with experts warning that these technologies could fundamentally alter humanity's relationship with warfare. Major defense companies like Elbit systems and tech giants such as Palantir and Anduril spearhead these advancements while facing scrutiny over transparency and accountability. Despite calls for regulations, countries leading the AI arms race, including the US, China, and Russia, remain resistant to new international laws governing autonomous weapons. In cybersecurity, NATO is developing a system to ensure continuous internet connectivity if crucial undersea cables are attacked. Researchers from the US, Iceland, Sweden, and Switzerland collaborate to reroute internet traffic to satellite systems in such events. The initiative follows rising geopolitical tensions and concerns over possible disruptions by nations like Russia or China. NATO has allocated up to €400,000 towards the $2.5 million project, aiming for uninterrupted online connections even during military conflicts. Turning to advancements in AI, Chinese companies are rapidly advancing in generative AI, potentially disrupting global commerce and shifting competitive advantages. Experts cite China's dominance in AI patents and substantial government investment as key factors in this technological race. This lead prompts concerns about strained US-China relations and the need to reassess international AI regulations. Meanwhile, the US has ramped up efforts to restrict advanced AI technology exports to China, aiming to safeguard its technological edge. Shifting to labor statistics, new government data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics reveals that 35% of employed Americans work from home, consistent with last year's percentage. These remote workers average a 5.1-hour workday, compared to the 7.9 hours recorded for office-based employees, potentially due to fewer distractions and more efficient work environments. Most remote workers earn nearly or above $100,000 annually, with more than half running home-based businesses. Experts suggest highlighting productivity when negotiating remote work, as studies show flexible work arrangements improve employee loyalty and performance. In automotive news, Tesla's highly anticipated robotaxi reveal was delayed until October due to a significant design change requested by CEO Elon Musk. Initially scheduled for August 8th, the delay impacted Tesla's stock, which dropped over 6% but has since rebounded. Musk addressed the delay on social media, emphasizing the importance of the design change. This postponement adds to the speculation about Tesla's future product strategy, especially amid recent layoffs and shifts in focus toward autonomous technology. Finally, in the fashion industry, companies are diving into the digital realm, releasing virtual clothing and accessories to enhance consumer engagement. Brands like Vans on Roblox and Valentino in Animal Crossing offer in-game experiences, while Ralph Lauren teams up with metaverse platform Zepeto. This move aims to boost brand loyalty and connect with younger, digital native customers through what they call digital twins. Additionally, virtual goods open new revenue streams and could drive physical sales, marrying virtual and real-world shopping experiences.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.